Good morning to all. With the continuation of the auditing class, today we have discussing about the share transfer and share transmission. There are two topics today we have discussing. Share transfer. Already you know that share capital, shares it is equivalent to the capital contribution to the companies. They are having the contributions, they are having issue of shares by the companies as well as the receiving by the shareholders. They are dealing with the companies and shareholders issues, purchase, redemption, discount. These are things we know very well. And but today concept is very different. For example, banking concept, you know that if you have a account with the bank, there are options on available. That is mean by after you have transaction made with the your account with the particular bank, is there any account operated by the nominee or the particular fixed deposit in case the sum of the person having the particular bank, after that kinds of person, is there amount may be responsible to anybody? Yes, that is called as nominee. We have already studied in the banking concept. Okay, so nominee, it is, you know that concept and the term of nominee, there may be a referred person to the particular assessee or the asset holder by the person. In case the X or Y person may be died or it may be declared winding up, all the transaction details may be transferred to the nominee person. This is a common thing. The same concept which should be included in the share transfer. So I am a shareholder in the particular company. It may be by my willing or any consolations by the winding up of the companies or any dealing with my financial position going to very low, I can withdraw the shares from the particular company, or the X or Y, the particular shareholder may be died. So after that, that share, it may be operated by the someone person. So that someone person here we can call as a nominee. Okay. So after that, after that my shares held by my nominee. Okay. So the nominee person here we can call as a share transfer. Okay. Simply I told that share transfer in the sense I may be going to transfer my share to anybody, okay, or the nominee persons, okay. That is called as a share transfer. My shares transfer to the somebody. Shares transmission, it is totally different. Is there any person of the shareholders, company may be died or winding up? That position only the particular shares going to transfer. Okay, that is called as a transmission, share transmission. Share transfer in the sense generally I have transferred the equity shares to someone else, okay, by my willing or any compulsion or financial background weakness. These are the core area. Okay, right. So just you can accept this concept, you can keep it in your mind and follow the theories. Okay, first we have discussing the what do you mean by transfer of share. Okay, transfer of shares in the sense it is mean by my willing or any kind concept I can transfer my share to somebody's. Okay, right. According to section 56 of Company Act New 2013, securities are movable property. Okay, underline this word, it's maybe asked by the 1 mark. Securities always it is called as a movable property and transferable in a manner of provided by the articles mentioned in the association of persons, okay, or memorandum of articles of association declared by the company or articles of association declared by the company. Always share it should be a transferable. The company may be disclosed in the prospectus. Okay, so shares in the form of section 56 Companies Act 2013, it is a movable one. It may be as a willing by me, I can transfer to anybody. Okay, and point number 2, a shareholder is free to transfer share to a person of his own choice. Okay, for the private limited companies. So I am a person transfer my share to anybody without any conditions, without any charges. Okay, I can freely transfer my shares to my nominees or my willing persons. Okay, right. Next one, procedure for transfer of shares. So repeatedly asked by the 8 mark from the semester questions. Decide which are transferred need to be obtained in the prescribed form, that is shareholders or share form number 4. Okay, if it may be, I may be going to transfer my share to anybody and declare my all the details to the form number 4. Okay, that's the first procedure. And second one, some circumstance in which the instrument of transfer may be not be in the prescribed form. Okay, some of the companies there we can communicate to the companies there immediately transfer share to nominees. Okay, there is no any prescribed format. Okay, so some of the company following the prescribed format, we given the authentication to the companies, and the rest of the companies over the phone call or any issues we can through mail we can transfer our shares to anybody. There is no any printed fixed format. Okay, followed by the such a few companies. And third point, under section 187 of the Companies Act 2013, director or nominee transfer shares on behalf of the shareholders or anybody. Okay, it is exclusive on incorporate companies. Okay, and now I can early tell that I'm through the phone call or any mail or any given the communication sent to the companies, they can rights taken by the directors. They can eligible to transfer the my share to my nominees. Okay, they are having the authentication rights. I may be given to the through mail or any other communications. Okay, and point number 4, in case the directors or nominee transfer the shares on behalf of a corporation owned and controlled by the central or state government. Okay, whose may be authorized person on behalf of the shareholder, they can share they can transfer the shares to the nominee, particularly for corporate owned controlled companies and central and state companies. Okay, and next one, transferring of the debentures, a standard format is used. SARS, there is no fixed format rather than the issued by the company, but debentures, they are having the fixed prescribed format. Compulsory they should be following that, then only we can sharing our debentures to the somebody's. Okay, and next one, stamp deed on the transfer deed is checked whether it is a cancel after the time or before the signing the transfer deed. Okay, I am a shareholder, the company may be defined that verified that all the things before transferring the my shares. Okay, so there having I am willing or any compulsion, they should be verified that. Okay, and properly it should be activated, that should be maintained. Okay, next one, person who has given the signature, name and address as approval of the transaction must verify by the transferor and transferee. The company must verify transferor, I am a transferor, and a transferee details. Okay, at the time of share transfer, compulsory they should be verified the details, then only the company rights to given the authority may be passed by the shareholders or company directors, may be transferred. Okay, and last point, relevant share or debenture certificate or allotment letter along with the transferee deed must be attached sent to the company. So at the time of transfer of shares, they should be enclosed all the details, letter of allotment and how much of shares I have received from the particular company and whom I have transferred my share to the particular person. All the details should be enclosed. It is a very mandatory. Okay, so next topic is transmission of securities. Okay, transmission in the sense just again recall you, just keep it in your mind. particular shareholders X or Y may be caused death or the company may be winding up, the fully share transfer to the nominee persons. Okay, that is called as a transmission of security. So first point, transmission of security is quite different from the transfer of securities because of these natures. Okay, and point number 2, share are transferred to the deceased and the official assigned of the insolvent. Okay, based on the insolvent of the person, they can assign it to the some nominees. The transmission of shares is automatic process when the shareholder dies and immediately passes to the personal representative. Okay, particular X or Y, before buying the share, they should be nominating the person. In case the shareholder may be died, automatically the shares, dividend and contributions, bonus, everything should be transferred to the nominee. Okay, it is a nomination given by the Companies Act. And next heading, procedure for transfer of shares. Holding or legal their survivor who was transmissions operations of loss needs to be simple applications with the company. Relevant documents may be submitted. Okay, so in case of the transmission of share to the particular shareholders to somebody nominees, there should be submitting the proof of death certificate of the shareholders. Okay, so proof of death certificate. So then only the company may act as a transfer of the shares particular nominee. Okay, it is a norms given to the Companies Act. And next one, company records the information about the death certificate. Based on the death certificate, he making the necessary action to for transmission of share to the nominee. And next one, after the documentations are submitted, the company reviews these documents. It is the original and the causes of death, and it may be given the approval of the companies and board directors, letters to the shareholders nominee, and all the necessary things, bonus, dividend, it may be transferred to the nominee. Okay, so first of all, they should be thorough their proof of evidence, then only they can transmission of share to their nominees. And next one, in case of the documentation submitted with the transmission, requests are not in order. Okay, maybe the company go through all the submitting the particular shareholders documentation. They should be thorough. Is there any deviations or they can acceptance? They're having the time period on 30 days. So company communicate the information to the shareholders or the nominee, it will take that 30 days. Okay, maybe it should be accepted or regret. Okay, it's a rights to the company. And next one, before the death of the shareholders, the dividend decline will be payable to the legal representative. Okay, in case any deviation from the shareholder dividend, okay, it should be deposited in the shareholders account, or otherwise it may be nominee person. Okay, there is no such doubts. Dividend will be paid to him only after the resignation of him her name. Okay, so dividend may be paid by the either the holder's account or the holder's nominee at the time of died shareholders. Okay, so this is a procedure for share transmission. Okay, next heading we have discussing the difference between share transfer and transmission of securities or share transmission. Okay, so very important question. Either the semester examination asked by the procedure of share transfer or transmission, or difference between shares or share transmissions. Okay, just to go through it. Basic components: share transfer of shares, transmission of shares. First one, meaning, already we have studied that transfer of shares in the sense the shareholders as a person legally transfer their shares to the nominee. Transmission of shares in the sense, in case of causes of death, financial losses, winding up. These are the reasons the shareholders may be certified through the company, and they can direct to the company that shareholders dividends, interest, all the things may be transferred to the nominee, okay, after the death or winding up or any financial losses. That is called as a transmission of shares. Next, by affected by, this is affected by the deliberate parties, okay, only for the shareholders. Transmission of shares, in the sense, it may be already I told that insolvency, death, and other lunatic, these are the reasons maybe. Next one, initiated by, okay, it is initiated by the shareholders, okay, that's why here we can say is the transfer and transfer, okay. But in the cases of transformation of shares, in the sense, legal heir or receiver, okay, because of the shareholders, they may be given the voluntarily through the written statement in the at the time of application filled by the allotment, or the application sent to the company for buying a shares, they are going to nominate the person, okay. It should be without any query or any actions. Compulsory, the shares and the dividend, all the benefits may be goes to the nominee, okay. So without any delaying or any queries, okay. Next one, consideration. Adequate consideration must be there, okay. Consideration here, in the sense, may be a document asked by the particular company, okay, or again and again they can claiming the proof or the evidence or the reason may be asked by the shareholders. But in the transmission case, there is no any legal offence. Already the shareholders, at the time of filling the application, they should be nominated clearly in the person, okay. So that's why there has any deviations. Only one, the nominee going to submit in the death certificate against the claim of the all the things, okay. And next one, considerations, already we have completed. And next one, execution of validity transfer deed, okay. So here, in the sense, transfer of shares may be executed or continued by the shares to the nominee person, okay. But transferred, in the sense, there is no any executions, okay, only they get benefit only. Next one, liability of transfer causes on the completion of the transfers, okay. Till completion of the transfer of share to the nominee, the liable person is shareholders. But here, original liability of shares continues to exist, okay. Maybe it may be considered by the nominee or any nominee related persons. They should be operated. The last one, stamp duty payable on the market value of shares, okay. So is there nominee buying the shares to the original shareholders, the market value of shares amount may be collected by the shareholders, okay. For example, I am a original shareholder, maybe I am transfer my share to somebody else, okay. At the time I was collected the current market price from the each shares, okay, collect from the my nominees are those who I want to transfer my shares, okay. So I can collect from the that kinds of person. But here, no need to pay, only we can such a claims received from the companies, okay. Right. So with this concurrence, today I have concluded my classes with the two topics, very important topic, share transfer and share transmissions, okay. Is there any doubt and clarifications, please comment YouTube, as well as you can ask your queries to our official WhatsApp group, okay. So you may utilize these opportunities to learn something or clarify your doubts, okay. Thank you so much.